Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications when the new video is uploaded. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's Unnakkaya, Malabar special sweet snack. Now let's see how to make it. Half cup grated coconut, 1 cardamom and few cashews. Coarsely grind it. Along with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Keep it aside. Now heat a kadai, pour 2 teaspoons of oil and roast 3/4 cup of grated coconut. The color starts changing. Now add the coarsely grind powder to it and roast it. Once roasted, switch off the flame. Meanwhile, steam a ripe banana, Nendram Param. Since it's very hot, I am using a knife to peel it off. Now let's smash the banana. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of rice powder, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and some salt. Corn flour is totally optional. You can ignore it if you don't like. Mix it well. You can adjust the quantity of rice powder. Make sure you are able to make a ball out of it. Now let's stuff the roasted coconut powder in this smashed banana. Try to make it oval shape. Now that I'm done with stuffing, heat a kadai, pour oil to it and deep fry the unnakkaya. Fry until golden brown. Turn it carefully without breaking. Fry until golden brown all the sides. Unnakkaya is ready. Serve the snack hot. Those who like banana fritters will love this. Do try at home. I got this recipe from Seema Chechi. Thank you Chechi. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.